क्या आपको पता है जापान में एक ऐसी कार है जो रेलवे ट्रैक और रोड दोनों पर चल सकती है? या फिर रोबोट्स जो हमें फूड सर्व करते हैं। ऐसे ही कुछ चीज़ों पर आज हम रिएक्ट करेंगे जो जापान में एग्जिस्ट करती है। वेलकम टू द चैनल, दिस इज योर बॉय पीजे क्या। मेक श्योर टू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल क्योंकि मैं रेगुलर ऐसी पोस्ट करता रहूँगा।
First, in Japan, there's portable paper soap. It looks like thin sheets of paper that come in small, colorful containers. But once you add water, it dissolves into actual soap so you can wash your hands anytime, anywhere.
ये तो स्कूल टाइम में भी थे, मैंने स्कूल टाइम पे भी यूज़ किए, तो इंडिया में भी भाई बहुत कॉमन है।
In Japan, there are dual bus trains called DMVs. Japan is known for its insane public transportation like floating trains and Hello Kitty bullet trains, but this dual bus takes the cake. It's a commercial vehicle that operates on both roads and railways. With the push of a button, it switches to rail mode in just 15 seconds by retracting train wheels.
एक कार कन्वर्ट टू ट्रेन वाला आइडिया मस्त है, बट इंडिया में इसकी ज़रूरत है नहीं क्योंकि ट्रेन ट्रेन का सिस्टम काफ़ी अच्छा है इंडिया में।
Who always loses their bottle cap every time you open a drink, Japan fixed that. Their bottles have tethered caps, so once you twist it open, the cap stays attached. You literally can't lose it.
दिस आई वॉन्ट इन इंडिया भाई, बहन चोद ये चाहिए इंडिया में। वो ढक्कन को यहाँ वहाँ ले जाते घूमो।
In Japan, some stores and even public areas offer plastic umbrella covers to make sure your umbrella can dry when it's wet from the rain outside. You just slide it into an umbrella stand and a
इन इंडिया
plastic
भाई।
cover wraps around it.
बॉटल कैप और अम्ब्रेला दोनों वाला चाहिए इंडिया में।
Restaurants even give you fingertip gloves so you can eat fried chicken or greasy food without getting your hands messy. You just slip it on your thumb and pointer finger and enjoy mess-free eating. And Japan has
ना ये नहीं चाहिए भाई, क्योंकि जो मसाला उंगलियों पे लग जाता है फिर वो बाद में चाटना भी, तो उसमें भी मज़ा आता है। तो दिस आई डोंट वांट इन इंडिया।
a unique way of getting rid of cooking oil. After frying food, they sprinkle a white powder called oil hardener into the leftover oil. You stir it in, and a few minutes later, the oil turns into a jelly-like block you can easily throw away. Meanwhile, in the US, we're either pouring oil down the drain and wrecking our pipes, or awkwardly waiting hours for it to harden in foil or containers.
इंटरेस्टिंग।
Japanese ovens actually come with built-in fish grills. There's a compact section just for grilling fish, so you get perfectly cooked fish without making your whole house smell like a seafood market for the rest of the day. Next is the anti-hangover drink. It's made to be taken before partying, and it's packed with vitamins, turmeric, and nutrients that reduce hangover symptoms the next day. It's
मैं दारू पीता नहीं, तो भाई मेरे को पता नहीं हैंगओवर कैसा फील होता है। तो जो भी दारू पीने वाले भाई कमेंट करो if you need this in India or not.
one of the easiest ways to party smarter, and it actually tastes pretty good. Third, in some Japanese cafes, you can get coffee served in a block of ice. Instead of ice in your coffee, you pour the coffee into a hollowed out ice cube. It keeps the coffee cold, turns it into a slow chilling slushy, and looks pretty amazing too.
लुक वाइज बोल सकता हूँ, और पक्का भाई इसके फालतू चार्जेस वगैरह लगते होंगे, तो नॉट वर्थ इट।
Coca-Cola. It looks like sparkling water, but tastes just like regular Coke. Your brain might glitch for a second, but your taste buds will recognize it immediately. And right next to it in vending machines, you'll often find frozen Coca-Cola too, slushy style and ice cold, perfect for hot summer days or curing a soda craving with extra chill. In some restaurants, if your dish includes raw eggs, you can get a cup separator that has a lid that separates the egg yolk from the egg white. You just crack the egg above the lid, and it automatically ensures no egg white or shell gets into your meal. Next, Japan
एग योक सेपरेटर काफ़ी अच्छा आइडिया है।
has coffee cups that are edible. In some Japanese cafes, instead of using disposable cups, they serve coffee in edible cookie cups that are made from natural ingredients like oats, wheat, and flour. It holds your coffee perfectly, and once you're done drinking, you can eat the cup. Next, although it's hard to find benches in Japan, when you do find them, they're oddly interesting. Like this self-driving bench called Eno. It looks like a tall boomerang, and it literally takes you where you need to go. You just step on and let it glide you there. It gets you to your exact destination while offering a smooth sightseeing ride. Lastly, Japan
ट्रेन वाला बोल सकते हैं कि हाँ, कुड बी यूज्ड। जैसे भाई किसी को नहीं पता हो, कोई टूरिस्ट वगैरह आ रहा हो जिसको नहीं पता हो कि हाँ भाई कहाँ कैसे ऑपरेट करना है, तो आई कैन से इट।
gets you to your exact destination while offering a smooth sightseeing ride. Lastly, Japan has Fuji glass cups, where white sakura flowers turn pink at the perfect fill line, so you know exactly when to stop pouring and avoid spills. They have something called yogurt ladies. You'll see older women riding around in small motorized carts throughout the city. But they're not selling junk food or snacks. They're selling probiotic yogurt drinks, and some of these drinks have supplements and vitamins packed right into the cap, making it easy to get your daily nutrition while you're on the go.
याकुल्ट तो इंडिया में भी है, तो दिस एग्जिस्ट इन इंडिया भाई, तो इंडिया पीछे नहीं है.
In Japan, they've made throwing away trash way easier. Instead of struggling to figure out which bin your trash goes in, they have single trash bins with built-in AI. You just toss your trash in, and the system automatically detects what type of waste it is and sorts it into the right category.
दिस ये डस्टबिन वाला काफ़ी अच्छा है कि हाँ, उसके ऊपर प्लेस कर दो जो भी तुम्हारा है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग वो ऑटो अरेंज कर देगा, तो तुम्हारा सोचने का कि किस में डाले किस में ना डाले. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड.
Automatically detects what type of waste it is and sorts it into the right category. Next, in Japan, they have small gadgets that help you open jars effortlessly. These devices stick under your kitchen cabinets, and when you can't open a stubborn jar, you just place the lid on the gadget and twist. The lid pops off easily without any struggle. Next, in some
हाँ, तो जापान में चाहिए होगा ये, उन उन बेचारों के पास इतनी जान नहीं है कि वो ढक्कन खोल सके हाथ से. इंडिया में तो भाई हाथ ही बहुत है, तो हमें नहीं चाहिए भाई ये चोचले.
These devices stick under your kitchen cabinets, and when you can't open a stubborn jar, you just place the lid on the gadget
बेबी
and twist. The lid
हाथ ही
pops
बहुत
off
है.
easily without any struggle. Next, in some bakeries in Japan, there's a self-serve bread slicer. You pick your loaf of bread, place it inside, and use the display screen to decide how thick or thin you want your slices to be.
ये तो मैंने भाई बहुत जगह देख चुका हूँ ये. इंडिया में पता नहीं है, लेकिन वीडियोस के थ्रू भाई बहुत देखा है, तो ये इतना एक्सक्लूसिव नहीं है, बट ठीक है, बोल रहा है तो मान लेता हूँ भाई तेरी.
To decide how thick or thin you want your slices to be. Lastly, Japan has white disposable socks for travel, so you don't have to worry about laundry. They may look too small at first, but once unraveled, they stretch, breathe, and fit comfortably, ensuring they
need
suit
this.
all
I
foot
need
sizes. Wear
this.
them once or twice, then toss them out. There's the
डिस्पोजेबल सॉक्स इंडिया में, आई नीड दिस. एग्जिस्ट करता है तो मुझे बताओ, अदरवाइज भाई आई नीड दिस. क्योंकि भाई कितना इजी है भाई, कहीं भी कैरी करके, इतना सा स्पेस लेगा, कहीं भी कैरी करके बैग में रख के लेके जाओ. तुम्हारी सॉक्स भाई गीली हो गई, स्मेल आ रही है, कोई भी रीज़न है, तुम्हें दोबारा नहीं पहननी, पॉलीथीन में उसको पैक करो, कहीं ट्रैवल करने जा रहे हो, इसको बस निकालो, पहनो, you good to go bro, you good to go. So amazing, amazing, amazing.
comfortably, ensuring they suit all foot sizes. Wear them once or twice, then toss them out. There's the magazines. In Japan, when you buy one, don't be surprised if it comes with a little gift tucked between the pages. It could be a collectible, a makeup sample, or even a clothing item.
इंडिया में भी है भाई, दैनिक भास्कर भी तो देता था कि अखबार में वो कूपन टाइप्स आते थे, उसको कट करो, उसमें चिपकाओ, फिर वो तुम्हें बाल्टे वगैरह कुछ गिफ्ट देंगे. तो इंडिया में भी है, नॉट टू दिस डिग्री, बट इंडिया में भी है.
Another thing, Japan has toothpaste paper. It's exactly what it sounds like. Little sheets of paper that are actually toothpaste. It's way less messy and perfect for brushing on the go. And lastly, Japan's movie theater toothpaste. It's way
टूथपेस्ट पेपर काम कैसे करता होगा भाई ये, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग.
less messy and perfect for brushing on the go. And lastly, Japan's movie theaters are next level. Their food trays fit right into the cup holders and swivel in front of you, making it super easy to eat and drink, or even share your snacks with the person sitting next to you.
इंडिया में तो भाई लूटते हैं थिएटर्स में, मूवी टिकट से ज़्यादा स्नैक्स का वो होता है, तो भाई बंदा मूवी देखने जाए, स्नैक्स खाए, उसमें ही बेचारा आधा खाली हो लेता है. तो तगड़ा बिजनेस बना रखा भाई थिएटर वालों ने.
When you buy a cake, it doesn't just come alone. It comes with a complimentary cake slicer that also has matches built inside, so you can light the candles too.
इंडिया में देते हैं केक के साथ प्लास्टिक का चक्कू, माचिस, मोमबत्तियाँ, हाँ कुछ है जो चार्ज करते हैं, बट मोस्टली दे ही देते हैं. नाइफ तो दे ही देते हैं, कैंडल्स और मैचेस वगैरह का नहीं पता, बट नाइफ तो दे ही देते हैं.
In Japan, even their nail salons are on another level. They have AI-powered machines that can paint your nails in seconds. You just place your hand in the machine, and it designs detailed nail art with patterns and colors that even professional artists would struggle to recreate. If your phone ever dies while you're out, don't worry. Japan has charge spots, public portable power banks that you can rent from hubs placed all over the country for maximum convenience. Just scan the QR code, grab a power bank, and return it to any hub when you're done.
आई डोंट थिंक कि ये यहाँ वर्क करेगा, क्योंकि अगले दिन सारे चोरी हो जाएंगे. इट इज़ वट इट इज़ भाई. इंडिया में ये सस्टेनेबल नहीं है. एक दिन ही मिलेंगे पावर बैंक, नेक्स्ट डे सारे गायब हैं, क्योंकि सबके घरों में मिलेंगे.
QR code. Grab a power bank and return it to any hub when you're done. Underground bike garages. Bikes are a major form of transportation here, so they treat them like gold. Some places have high-tech parking systems where you tap your card to pay, align your bike on a marked line, and the machine grabs it and slides it underground into a secure storage spot. When you're ready to leave, you tap your card again, and it automatically brings your bike.
God damn. वेरी 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 इंटरेस्टिंग. इंडिया में भी है नोट ये कि हाँ वो बाइक नीचे जाएगी, वो अपने आप स्लॉट हो जाएगी, वैसे नहीं. बट पार्किंग स्पेस है जहाँ पे तुम टिकट्स वगैरह दे के अपनी बाइक वगैरह को पार्क कर सकते हो.
Back up to you. There are even grocery stores with bike parking lots. Just grab your ticket, park your bike within the white lines, and
ये
you're
तो
good
है.
to go. Next, vein finders. If you ever need blood drawn, doctors in Japan use a special infrared scanner that makes deep veins visible. They shine it on your arm, and it lights up the veins in real time, so they know exactly where to place the needle. No more guessing or multiple poke. When workers are cleaning the windows on tall buildings, there's always someone standing on the ground holding an umbrella. Not for themselves, but to make sure no one walking by gets dripped on. It's such a simple thing, but it shows how much they think ahead over there.
फॉर दिस, क्योंकि भाई कोई बंदा अच्छे से तैयार होके आ रहा है ना, तुम नीचे देखते हो. यहाँ तो बस ऐसे ही बाल्टी उठा के पानी डाल देंगे या कुछ भी कर देंगे, कूड़ा वूड़ा फेंकना है यहीं से बालकनी से फेंक देंगे, नीचे ना देख रहे कौन चल रहा है कौन नहीं चल रहा. तो दिस इज़ वेरी मतलब बेसिक सिविक सेंस भाई, you can say it.
They also have self-heating food boxes on trains. They're called bento boxes, and they heat themselves up. You just pull a string, wait 5 minutes, and your food's hot and ready to eat. No microwave, no outlet, no asking anyone for help. And Japan even made butter easier. They've got butter sticks that work like glue sticks. Twist the bottom, and it pushes right up so you can spread it straight on toast. No knife, no mess. Just clean and easy.
I understand कि हाँ भाई स्प्रेड करना काफ़ी हार्ड होता है, मैसी हो जाता है, लेकिन ये भी आई डोंट थिंक कि कितना हाइजीनिक है कितना नहीं है. क्योंकि भाई ब्रेड पे तुम रब कर रहे हो, उस क्रम्स भी बटर के ऊपर लग जाते होंगे, फिर उसको दोबारा तुम सेम चीज़ को स्टोर कर रहे हो, तो पता नहीं भाई कितना सस्टेनेबल है कितना नहीं है. तो
And it pushes right up so you can spread it straight on toast. No knife, no mess. Just clean and easy. Next, mamachari are a staple in Japan. These bikes are specially designed for moms with electric assist, baskets, and child seats. Usually one in the front and one in the back. The seats are safely secured and often come with weather covers to protect kids from rain or wind, making them perfect for daily errands, allowing you to carry your kid your groceries and still glide effortlessly through the city. Lastly, in some restaurants, robots serve your food. This Avatar Robot Cafe isn't just futuristic, it's also inclusive. The robots are controlled remotely by individuals with disabilities, giving them meaningful work opportunities. A robot guides you to your table. You place your order using a tablet. It's also inclusive. The robots are controlled remotely by individuals with disabilities.
दिस थिंग इंडिविजुअल विद डिसेबिलिटीज़ की हाँ भाई जो भाई फिजिकली एबल नहीं है वो कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं, और वो भी एक मीन्स ऑफ अर्निंग इसके थ्रू अर्न कर पा रहे भाई. तो दिस इज़ वेरी गुड कि हाँ भाई दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग अ जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी. भले रोबोट हो लेकिन उसको भी ऑपरेट करने के लिए जो लोग फिजिकली एबल नहीं है दे हायर देम. So very good.
Giving them meaningful work opportunities. A robot guides you to your table. You place your order using a tablet, and while you wait, another robot comes by to greet you and even entertain with dancing or singing. After your meal, yet another robot comes to clear your dishes, wrapping up a dining experience that's as heartwarming as it is high-tech.